sklearn, feature extraction, image, reconstruct from patches 2D. Description. This function reconstructs an image from a collection of 2D patches. It effectively stitches together the patches to form the original image, taking into account the overlap between patches. Inputs. Patches: a 4-dimensional array of shape n patches. Patch height. Patch width. N channels representing the individual patches. Each patch is a 2D array with the specified height, width, and number of channels. Patch shape: a tuple. Patch height. Patch width specifying the dimensions of each patch. This should match the shape of the individual patches in the patches array. Outputs. Image: a 3-dimensional array of shape. Image height. Image width. N channels representing the reconstructed image. This image is formed by arranging the patches in the correct order and handling overlaps. Steps. Patch arrangement: the function arranges the patches in a grid-like structure based on the overlap defined by the patch shape and the input patches. Overlap handling: the overlapping regions between adjacent patches are handled by averaging k values from the overlapping pixels. This ensures a smooth transition between patches. Visualization plots. Original image vs. reconstructed image: a side-by-side comparison of the original image and the image reconstructed from patches can visualize the effectiveness of the reconstruction process. Fine-tune parameters. Patch shape: the size of the patches used for reconstruction. Larger patches might lead to faster reconstruction but could also introduce blurring. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: incomplete patch coverage: if the input patches do not completely cover the entire image, the reconstruction might result in missing regions or artifacts. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 1: reconstructing an image with a patch size that is too small to capture the entire image. Fixes to Challenge 1: ensure that the input patches completely cover the entire image by either using a larger patch size or by providing enough patches. Challenge 2: poor patch overlap: if the overlap between patches is insufficient, the reconstructed image might exhibit visible seams or discontinuities. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 2: using a patch shape where the overlap is too small to effectively smooth out transitions between patches. Fixes to Challenge 2: increase the overlap between patches by adjusting the patch shape or using a larger patch size. Challenge 3: image shape mismatch: if the patch shape and the original image shape are not compatible, the reconstruction might result in an incorrect image size. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 3: using a patch shape that does not divide evenly into the image dimensions. Fixes to Challenge 3: ensure that the patch shape is compatible with the original image shape by padding the image or adjusting the patch shape accordingly.